Hi guys. Okay, so now we're going to mix up the cookie part of our cream cheese filled pumpkin cookies. Okay, so I'm going to start by mixing some sweetener and pumpkin pie spice to make the spiced sugar that we're going to mix everything in. Now what you want is 1/4 cup of granulated sweetener, which I am making a double batch, so everything I do will be twice of what I'm telling you to do, but that's okay. You want 1/4 cup of sweetener, and then you want 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So, and then we're just going to mix that up. Might as well maybe lift down here and give it a little mix. You're just trying to make sure you get it well mixed. Break that piece of pie spice up. Beat the butter and the sugars together. You'll need 6 tablespoons of butter. So you want softened butter. Alright, so 6 tablespoons of butter, and then you want 1/3 cup of swirl brown and 1/3 cup of swirl granulated. Okay, so put sugar in. Cream the sugars together with the butter. Okay, we're going to mix this for about 2 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Okay, so now we're going to put in 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 egg. Keep in mind I'm doubling. And then we'll also add in our vanilla, which is 1/2 teaspoon. Mix this up. So it's 2 1/4 cups of almond flour. You need a tablespoon of gelatin. So that's 1 package. Put those in with it. There we go. And 1 1/2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. So for me, that's 3 teaspoons, which 3 teaspoons is equal to 1 tablespoon. So that, oh, coincidentally, that is how much I have left. That worked out great. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Now we're going to mix this all together. I'm going to scrape down the sides of this bowl once, and then mix it just for a little bit longer, just to make sure we got it all mixed in. Actually, I have it all pretty well mixed, so we're good to go. Okay, so we have them all rolled out now, and what we're going to do is press down in the middle, because I need a well in which to place the frozen cream cheese balls. And all we did for that was mix together 6 ounces of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of powdered sweetener, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And then I scooped them out in small scoop. I used this one. So you can see it's like a 1-inch scoop. And then I put them in the freezer and I let them get nice and frozen. So now we're going to take those frozen blobs of deliciousness and we're going to put them inside this cookie. And then once we've done that, we'll fold the cookie around it and put them in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay guys, so we're back and ready to stuff our cookies. So I'm going to put it down here so you can see what we're doing. So all I'm going to do is take 1 blob of cream cheese like this. I'm going to put it in our cookie dough. I'm going to pick it up and form the dough around it like this. And now that I've done that, I'm going to take our cinnamon sugar mixture, or pumpkin pie rather, seasoning and sugar. And then I'm just going to give it a quick toss in there, make sure it's all coated with the sugar. And I'm going to put it on the tray, and I'm going to just push it down just a little like that. Okay? And that's it. And you do that over and over until you're done. Then we're going to bake them at 350 for approximately 15 minutes. All right, guys, we're back. So I had to get ready for the football game, but I wanted you to see how amazing these cookies look. Look at this. Guys, do yourself a favor. Make those.